Say if you can't buy it, then you should make it. The most important things to me is my laptop, my MacBook. I like these flimsy straps that they come with. The hell with that garbage, so this stuff will stain. Wanted to get some blood red dye. I thought this would turn out nice. Of course, I had to use a barge cement to put the sheep's wool on the underside as a shoulder pad. So I cut it, I dyed it, I tooled it, I oiled it, I sized it. What do you think? It's kind of got an evil look to it, doesn't it? You got red strapping and a black leather shoulder pad. Yeah, I'm obviously not a professional leather worker. I made like 50 leather items, but you can't buy stuff like this. I mean, you go on eBay and you say, I'm going to throw all the money I can at a really fancy strap, or like a shoulder bag strap. It's like, not that I have that issue, but like if I said, hey, I'm just want to, whatever, I'm just going to throw money at it. Like you'd have to like call up a professional leathersmith. Like, why can't you buy crap like this? I mean, this is all solid brass hardware. And yeah, I think this actually looks really damn good, considering the fact that I made it, well, I don't know, rather quickly. But yeah, it was a light tan color. And I dyed it red, tooled it, so yeah. I don't know why this stuff, someone's going to have to tell me, this is not for legal sale in California. Not legally for sale. What are people doing, huffing this stuff or something? You're going to huff something. This is stuff that almost made me pass out. I've got sheep's wool stuck to my barge cement. Man, that stuff will give you a headache. I probably should have turned a fan on. Anyway, nice and furry. Someone's going to make a joke of me petting the fur. Someone's going to make some sort of innuendo joke. Hey, this is nice, man. This is nice. I'm so glad I got a leather punch set. I don't know why I didn't get a leather punch hole set earlier. To punch holes like this. These are called Conway buckles, by the way. These saddle-shaped buckles. Really great. I like these better than regular buckles. So anyway, here's my idea for a fancy. So how did I do? Did I suck? Did I suck at, did I mess it up? I think this looks good. This looks fancy. Definitely have a one-of-a-kind, unique-looking laptop briefcase. Here you go. This is what you do in wintertime. You know, if I were really, really tough, I'd be out taking pictures in the wintertime when it's like freezing ass cold outside. Nah, I'll make some leather goods. You know, stuff like that there.